Love Island Australia kicks off as sexy singletons hook up in new Oz version. Love Island Australia, hosted by the stunning Sophie Monk, aired its first episode on ITV last night. And the theatrics are already well underway to give us our Islanders fix now. Megan Barton Hansen and co. are off our screens. Contestant Millie, 24, was left gobsmacked when her ex-boyfriend Charlie, 22, rocked up to the Spanish villa to be a castmate, catching her completely off guard. And her fellow co-stars couldn't hide their shock either after Millie turned to them and admitted, "Oh my God, I know him. I dated him." Related articles. Love Island's Jack Fincham ignores drug dealer dad revelation in live TV interview. Love Island split, Frankie and Samira over as he's caught cracking on with girl. Love Island babe set to lift lid on love ratics on Celebrity Big Brother. Millie was then quizzed over her relationship with the Sydney-based rugby player, and it all came spilling out. And while the brunette babe admitted they had indeed dated, she was adamant it was nothing serious, shouting, "We didn't have sex." But Charlie set tongues wagging once again when he winked at Millie and she gave him a shy wave-ooer. After all that drama, the rest of the ladies weren't too keen on getting to know poor Charlie, owing to the fact he'd already hooked up with Millie and wanting to honor the girl code. Busty blonde business owner Natasha admitted she had her eye on him but said she was worried about how he knew Millie. "I love the name Charlie and all the things he listed I'm looking for," she said. "But I did hear that he dated Millie." Although she seemed to experience a swift change of heart and agreed to couple up with him after he protested that he and his ex didn't have any feelings for each other. Elsewhere on the show, sports administrator Josh chose to partner with Lebanese-Australian model Tayla, and Millie coupled up with New York-based model Justin. Electrician Grant chose barmaid Cassidy as his partner and topless waiter Eden picked Taryn as his eye candy. Meanwhile, UK viewers took to Twitter to air their thoughts on the Down Under version of the show, and it was definitely a mixed bag. One user wrote, "The girls in Love Island Australia are harsh as F." A second tweeted, "Love Island Australia is actually so good. First episode and there's people acting up." Related articles. You won't believe which famous TV judge Celebrity Big Brother star Chloe Ayling dated. Strictly Come Dancing lineup finally revealed, but there's a major twist. Massive mistake. Jamie O'Hara reveals cheating on Danielle Lloyd cost him £1 million. While a third user chimed, "Why is Love Island Australia so much more lit than ours?" But not everyone was impressed. One person tweeted, "Love Island Australia was really trash and I wasted an hour and a half for nothing." While a second user wrote, "Love Island Australia definitely hasn't got the same amount of bants as Love Island UK. Crikey. Guess we'll have to wait and see what delights the rest of the show brings, and